If you ride with me, you gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love.
This weekend, we are back in Chicago to celebrate my husband's birthday coming up. We are trying to get our bags, but apparently our bags did not arrive. We're about to go hop on this train so we can make our way over to the Thompson Hotel. That's where we're going to be staying this weekend, in addition to one other hotel that I'll share with you guys in the next video. If you watch my last Chicago video, we stayed at 21C Museum Hotel, which is closer to the Magnificent Mile. If you didn't see that video, I will go ahead and link it here. This time we are staying in the Loop, which is a different area of Chicago, but it is very close to one of the Lou Malnati's restaurants that we want to try. We booked the king bedroom and was upgraded to the king suite, which is twice the size. Let me go ahead and give y'all a tour of the room, which includes a large bathroom with a walk-in shower, a very big bedroom space, lots of windows throughout the whole hotel room, and also a big living room and sitting room area. The windows in this space are truly giving what they are supposed to give. Not only are the views very nice at night, but they're also just as nice in the daytime. I'll make sure to include a shot of that when the sun is up. We got here late. I think I got here about 4. Jermaine hopped off the train and wound up in West Chicago, the west side of Chicago. I got here at 4. He made it here at almost 7. So I did the room tour while I waited for him to get here. And the room is giving. The only thing that I didn't like about the room is that this was an ADA room, which means there is a lock on the heat on the shower, so you can only turn it up so hot, and there's a bench in the shower. And then there's also this weird kind of latch on the door that makes the room more ADA compatible. So those are like the only drawbacks that I had with this room. Our goal was to get here at about 4:30 p.m., shower, change clothes, and head out to dinner. But our bags were lost. One of our bags was lost, and then Jermaine was lost. So the sun was going down. I waited for him to get here. Once he got here, we did go to Lou Malnati's, which is in walking distance from this Thompson Hotel. There are lots of restaurants that are in walking distance from this hotel. It's a very walkable area. There's a juice bar around here. There are coffee shops, restaurants, little bistros. There's a park downstairs. There are so many little things to do around here if you don't have a car. But if you do, you could definitely drive the entire city. We Ubered around most of the time we were here, except for when we took the train to get here. And we're also taking the train to get back to the airport. Look how gorgeous the light and the view is in this room, y'all. It is so nice in here. I really, really like this place. There's ample seating. It's nice and it's bright, and it's really cold in Chicago right now. But all the light that's coming in really warms up the space and warms up the room. Do y'all want to see the rest of the hotel? Well, keep on watching. So now we're downstairs in the lobby area. These doors behind that couch open up, and I would love to be here in the spring or the summer when they're able to open those doors up. Now also in the lobby there is a bar that is at the back of the lobby. So you walk all the way back there. There's a large projection screen back there, lots of seating. It was really busy back here when we got here last night, but I went and made sure I went back in the daytime so I can show you guys what it looked like when it wasn't a bunch of people. Also within this lobby is another restaurant called NICO's. So Jermaine and I are Hyatt Globalists, which is why our room was upgraded at no additional charge. And then we're also comped on our breakfast at the restaurant. So we'll head inside the restaurant and show you exactly what the breakfast looks like. If you guys are enjoying this video, you're finding it entertaining, finding it interesting, let me know down in the comment section. And also go ahead and hit the like button. And if you're new here, why don't you consider subscribing to our channel? We post new videos every Friday unless something major comes up and we just can't edit any videos, but we try to make sure we post new videos every Friday. For breakfast, I ordered the milk bread French toast with some peach like compote on the top, and then Jermaine ordered like an all-American breakfast, which was eggs, bacon, and toast, and like some hash brown potatoes. Breakfast was really good, and overall we really like this hotel. We highly recommend it. I give it an 8 out of 10. It was very clean, very nice. The only drawbacks was there was a few stains on the couch in the bedroom, and I wasn't feeling the ADA room just because, again, we couldn't turn the hot water all the way up. But we really liked this place. The breakfast was good, and it was set in a great location. If you guys want to see more parts of our Chicago weekend, let me know in the comment section, and we'll share where we ate and what we recommend in terms of where to eat in Chicago and other places to stay. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and then tap the notification bell so you know when we post new videos. Thanks for watching, guys.